Hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Today we are going to talk about Delta cryptocurrency. So Delta Exchange, this is a platform name where we are going to talk about the sign up, login and the marketplace and the future trading. Each and everything we are going to cover in this video. So I have provided the referral link which is in the description box. Please check it out. So if you follow the referral link, then you'll get some rewards over there. So don't forget to use our referral link which is in the description box, or referral code which may you prefer. You can simply use that code or referral link. So trade crypto futures and options. So Delta Exchange actually provide you the best place where you can simply do buy or sell the cryptocurrencies over there. So there are different features in this Delta Exchange platform where we are going to see overview, in-depth overview of each things. So you can simply download the app from the Play Store. So simply you can scan and just download in one click. So why choose Delta Exchange, and why these like all these things we need to see, we will see in depth. So simply if you tap on sign up now, then if you enter your email, or if you enter tap on sign in with Google, then you will be simply sign up your account from in Delta Exchange platform. So this is just a simple step. So after signing up, so here is the things that I'm going to teach you individually. So first of all, we will see the overview of trade crypto futures and options in Delta Exchange. So first of all, moving towards the trading and overall graph that we will gonna be see. So first of all, we need to deposit some amount of money. So okay, so we need to deposit some amount of money. So first of all, we need to verify our things like the identity verification. So before deposit the money, so we need to verify. So you can simply see here. So you need to verify the account, like you need to provide your national ID or your and your phone number, then you'll get verified here in Delta Exchange. So it's just a very easy and simple step to verify all these things. So simply upload your citizenship or your national ID or passport, then you can simply tap on verify now. Then after, you will be definitely get verified. So simply if I tap on verify now, then you will see this kinds of interface over there. So simply you can see upload a photo or front side of your Bangladesh national ID. So I'm from Bangladesh, so simply I will upload my, so this like my national ID. So simply you can do all these stops in just one click. So I'm not going to okay, so it's updating now. So I'll do, but you need to do by yourself. So this is the security purpose. So I am not going to show you my data, just I'm guiding you so from here. So simply if you tap on future, and then you will be see this kinds of interface over here. So here is the market overview. If you tap on market also, so you will see this kinds of interface. I will show you for the future also. So here you can simply see the different types of the green signal and the red mark. So what does it mean, sir? Green or red? So green is for buy and red is for draw sell in futures trading. But here you can simply see green signal is for the highest profit rate and uplifting rate, whereas the red signal is for the degrade. So simply if I tap on future trading or anything else, simply I will redirect to next page. So we are going to see all these things. If I tap on future, then you will see this kinds of interface. So here you can see the actually what we should do and what we should not do in the trading in Delta Exchange platform. So simply red indicates for the like a sale, or green indicates for the buy. So simply this video is for the information base, so I'm not insisting you just to buy or sell the cryptocurrencies in Delta Exchange platform. So this is the information and tutorial video. So this is your choice that you are going to spend here or not. That's your choice. So simply you can see all these things, like there are various types of cryptocurrencies over there. So simply whichever you think like you can have some profit amount, so simply you can see over here. So if I tap on the graph, then you can simply see the graph details over here, like green is for buy and red is for sell. So here you can see the graph. So at the moment while I'm making the videos, the highest ratio of buying is more than selling. So there are like 3 5 6 green mark, whereas the red mark is lesser than the green mark. So simply you can see you can analyze and you can simply purchase or sell. So if you think the buying ratio is high here, so simply you can sell that, and if you think that selling ratio is high, then you can simply buy from here. So before buying and selling, you need to verify your KYC that we have talked before also. So you can simply see the 1 hour data, 2 hours data, 6 hour or day data. You can simply see and analyze it properly, and then only you can simply purchase all those things here in like Delta Exchange platform. Okay, so I have told you how to see the overview in the Delta Exchange platform. So please verify it properly, like what to sell, what to buy. Then after you will decide, you gonna be decide and buy or sell the cryptocurrencies over there. So if I like go to like a dashboard, and if I tap on more and Delta Invest, if I tap on here, so simply I can see, or you can see the interface over here. So Delta Invest, so this is a new feature in the Delta Exchange platform, where you can simply invest some amount of money over here. So then after you will get certain percent of commission or certain percent of bonus over there. So simply there are lots of subscribers over there, so live data, so they are earning this amount of money over. So many people are investing like around once 10,000 like millions, 4 million dollar are investing in Delta Exchange platform. Please read this disclaimer also before moving to us the subscription part. So simply do sign up, do subscription. Here are 3 like criteria. So simply read all these criteria very carefully, then after only decide all these things. So this gonna be more helpful if you follow all these 3 steps, and if you read all these things, then it will be much more helpful for you. So simply read all these things. So here are the frequently asked question also, so simply read all those things. So if I tap on leaderboard at the more section, then you can simply see over here. So there are like the leaderboards, how much amount of money they are earned. So simply here are the traders, and here in the left side it's the ranking, and here at the bottom side, yes, there are traders, and all these things you gonna be see over there. So here is the offer and reward section. You can simply see and get the welcome gift over there. So all these things that we are like covering in this video. So please get the reward also from a reward section. So if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell over there. We'll be uploading more videos like this. Till then, bye bye and take care.